Divorce is painful enough, but your estate planning doesn't have to be. There are several unique challenges that only divorced individuals have to worry about. But before you do anything, we have a resource that can help guide your plans through a difficult time. This free booklet brings awareness to potential issues so you can be prepared and protect yourself and your children. Here are just some of the things to think about. You will have to find a new estate attorney to represent you, one who does not have responsibilities to your former spouse. You will need to update beneficiary designations and retitle assets, or your ex-spouse may inherit more than you bargained for. There are even precautionary measures you should take, like advising your online services in writing that your former spouse is not authorized to access your accounts. How would your minor children manage an inheritance? Do you want your ex-spouse managing the money you left for your children, or should you utilize an independent trustee? At Legacy Assurance Plan, we can help you engage in thoughtful estate planning by giving you access to the resources you need to plan the right way to protect you and your children. Click the link below now for your free guide on divorce and estate planning. You'll be one step closer to finding the peace of mind that comes from knowing that your estate plan protects your family. Check out our website at legacyassuranceplan.com or call us today at 844-445-3422.